Hi YouTube. Well, since I got a little bit of knocking going on here, or at least we think it's knocking. Last time it just happened to be a the dust cover. I know you're waiting on it. Dust cover on this side. So that dust cover, that used to be knocking. But now there appears to be dust cover on this side. And if I can get this thing to sit there, I can show you what this is. Look at that. A little bit of a knocking going on there. I'm looking to see if there's a bolt or something up here that's not tight. And there it is, it stopped. It's up in here. I'm gonna get my light up in there for y'all to see. There's that little chatterbox. Look at that. See if I can get a better look up in there for y'all. And I put my hand there, and that's it. Thank goodness, there ain't no freaking engine problem. Gosh damn. At 390 plus miles on her, 390,000, 232. She's still kicking. Alright, well at least I know what it is now. Hope this helps somebody else.